Hello and welcome back to the class. Um, we're going to be looking at one of our projects, and I would want you to pay attention. This class will give you a little insight into how to make your own game. Remember, we're using Scratch as a software, so we're going to take this sprite or any other one you want to use. It's your choice. Let's say, for instance, but this project is going to be basically about writing something on the screen. This right hand side of the screen where this sprite is located. All right, so let's click on this icon here called add extension by the left down part of the screen. We click on it, and then we click on pen, draw with your sprite. This one over here, pen, draw with your sprite. Click on it, and then it will immediately appear over your screen under code to appear here under my blocks. You see it right there. So the next thing I want to do is to make sure that this sprite makes a move that writes something on the screen. So would probably write anything. Let's just write anything on the screen and you see it by yourself. All right, so we say this when the flag is clicked. We come to motion, and then we would use glide or go to this. We can use go to or glide, whichever one pays you. We would use go to or glide. Maybe we should try glide and you see how it works. The first thing is, what do you want to create? Do you want to create a letter? Do you want to create a letter N? So we will use this sprite to create a letter N. Okay, so do you notice that as I move my sprite, the dimension here, the X and Y axis changed? You see the X and Y axis changed. So what am I trying to do? This is it. When the flag is clicked, make sure you have only one sprite here. When the flag is clicked, I want this sprite to go down. So I would click on it and just drag it down. See that the direction has changed. Let's start all over again. Take it back and then take this here, bring it down. Dimension has changed, so we take this here. So the next thing is click on pen, and then we say pen down, and then we choose a color. You can click here, choose a color we want it to be, take it here, and then use this. We want it to start from this part of the page and then move right here with this color. Watch it. I'll take it up again now, and then I'll click on the flag, and then it creates that line that I want in blue color. The next thing I want to do is for it to go up again. So I would just duplicate this code and click it, and watch what it will do. It will go up. Oh no, it will come up. I want it to go up again, so I would take it up, watch it, take it up, and then go to motion, and then pick this, come to control, tell it to wait for 1 second, and then use this. Wow, we don't need this. Alright, so let's try the code again. You see that? But my I wasn't too straight with the line, so it's giving us two lines, but don't worry, we are still on track. So we want the sprite to come over here. All right, so going back to motion, we can see that the go to option has also changed. So now we need this here. We also need this.
It's 10 o'clock.
And then we need this. Let's take it back to the beginning point and then run the code all over again. Can you see that? We are close to drawing the N. So the last thing we want to do is for this code, for this sprite to move up. So we come back to motion. So let's do the pen. We'll do pen down again, and then set the pen color, and then take this up. Take this up, and then we are good to go. So we take this up, and then we bring this here. That's all you need. So let's start all over again. Let's bring this here, and then we click on when the flag is clicked. So we get our we've gotten our N. That's how simple it is. When you practice this, you become exceptional, meaning you become when you practice this a lot, you won't have this double lines. The more you practice, the better you become. But this is where